Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is your Islamic section of grade 2. Now open your books, page number 13. We have a chapter of unit 2b. Unit 2 2b. I say Alhamdulillah. Once upon a time there lived a boy named Abdullah who was in service of a king. He would say Alhamdulillah in everything that would happen in his, whether good or bad. One day, while hunting, the king accidentally shot at his finger, and Abdullah said, as usual, Alhamdulillah. This upset the king, and he jailed Abdullah, who again said Alhamdulillah. Soon after, the king went for hunting again by himself. He strayed into a land of cannibals and was captured. The cannibal was about to kill him before they realized he was missing a finger. Knowing full well they should not sacrifice an incomplete human being, they released the king. Now the king understood that Allah had made him shoot his finger to save his life. He went back home and freed Abdullah. He asked Abdullah, I understand that the loss of my finger was something worth saying Alhamdulillah, but why did you say it when I jailed you? Abdullah responded, had I been with you that day instead of being in jail, I would have been sacrificed since I had all my fingers. Alhamdulillah is an expression of both praise and thanks to Allah. It is something that can only be understood when we think of the blessings Allah has given us. Do you know, when we say Alhamdulillah, Allah grant us a tree in Jannah. Now, page number 14. When I sneeze, I say Alhamdulillah. What should I say? I say Alhamdulillah. When I finish my homework, I say Alhamdulillah. When I reach home, I say Alhamdulillah. When I finish some eating, I say Alhamdulillah. When I finish drinking, I say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. All praise to be Allah. Alhamdulillah means all praises to be Allah. This is a story about a boy and a king. The boy name is Abdullah, and he used to say Alhamdulillah for everything, for good or bad things, and he gave his service for king. So one day what will happen, they went for hunting in the forest or in the jungle. So accidentally the king shot his finger. He lost his finger. So when he shot his finger, Abdullah is very used to say Alhamdulillah. So automatically he say Alhamdulillah. King get very angry. So he sent him to jail, and while he's going to the jail, sending him to jail, he say Alhamdulillah. Abdullah said Alhamdulillah. Then king went for hunting alone, and again he went hunting again by himself. Then he captured by a cannibals. Okay, they captured him and they about to kill the king. But when they found that he's not he has he's not complete human being, he missed his finger. So he leaves king. He free the king because they killed the person who have full body parts. Okay, so they released the king. They did not sacrifice king. Okay, now the king understood that Allah had made him shoot his finger to save his life. Now king realized, now he understand that why Allah shoot his finger, because Allah want to save his life. He went back home and freed Abdullah. He asked Abdullah, I understand that the loss of my finger was something worth saying Alhamdulillah, but why you said Alhamdulillah when I jailed you? Abdullah responded the king that is he with you on that day when he go all alone? King said no. So if he is with him, then he sacrificed his life, but he is not there with him. That's why Allah bless his life as well. Okay, so that's why he say Alhamdulillah. So we should say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah is an expression of both praise and thanks. हम अल्लाह की प्रेस मीन्स तारीफ़ एंड थैंक्स शुक्र. So we should say Alhamdulillah for every expression. When we sneeze, sneeze means cheekna. When we sneeze, we should say Alhamdulillah. When we finish our homework, when we reach home, when we finish eating, or when we finish drinking, what we should say? We should say Alhamdulillah. What should say? Alhamdulillah. Okay. Today, for today till here. We continue our lesson next week. Allah Hafiz.